And COVID cases and hospitalization numbers are on the rise, as we know, locally. And because of it, some public buildings are once again the target of closures.
KCAU-9 News reporter Dylan Adams checks out one area facility with its doors now closed.
Health officials continue to monitor a rise in COVID-19 cases across the world, and Siouxland is no different, with 12 counties in the region dealing with high or substantial transmission of the virus. It was a quiet day at Sergeant Bluffs City Hall and at the town's community center after Mayor John Winkle made the decision to close both buildings for the entire week due to half of the city's staff either being infected or exposed to COVID-19.
Our intention is to be open in a week or less. We're just doing this as a precaution to protect our residents that interface with our city staff.
Currently, Woodbury County is in the substantial transmission category with an average of 8 new cases a day. That number, however, is up 103% over the last 14 days. Siouxland District Health Deputy Director Tyler Brock explains why he's not shocked about the uptick in cases.
This virus tends to do what this virus is going to do, and so we've got a good weapon at our disposal with the vaccine to help us with some of those serious cases, and I think we can still utilize that to help us out with this situation.
The CDC releasing guidelines last week recommending people wear masks indoors, even if fully vaccinated, if the area has seen widely spread virus transmission. Brock told KCAU-9 how difficult it is for the CDC to put stats like transmission rates into context.
I think they're trying to put some type of a measurable, tangible thing on something that's not quite that simple.
Brock expressed that he doesn't expect COVID-19 to disappear altogether, but that the vaccine is still the best bet to slow down infections and prevent hospitalizations and deaths.
There is still a possibility that people, even if they've been vaccinated, can become infected and may be infectious to other people. But again, we really just want to emphasize that those infections are almost always much less severe.
Tyler Brock still recommends those who are exposed to COVID-19, especially within the same household, should still self-quarantine, saying the virus can stay in the system for up to 10 days. Dylan Adams, KCAU-9 News.